Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Rachel and this is Stitched Up. So I have got a very quick, probably 10 to 15 minutes that I thought I would come on and open my Beyond the Pink Door Think Pink Sewscription box. And this arrived Friday night. No, was it yesterday? Yesterday, it arrived yesterday. And I have resisted opening it and resisted watching other people's unboxings that are already up on YouTube. But I thought I would unbox this with you today. And I'm expecting a couple of fabrics in here as well that I've bought from the lovely Andrea at Beyond the Pink Door, because she's just got some beautiful, beautiful fabrics there at the minute. So everybody's out. I've got 10 minutes. You might hear a lawnmower in the background because Isaac is out cutting the grass. Yes. Martin, Bronte, her partner Tom and Layla have all just gone off to Martin's mum's so that she can see Layla and catch up with her, and the house is peaceful. So yeah, apart from the lawnmower and the Piper dog in the background somewhere as well. So I thought I would open this with you today. I'm not wearing anything me made today. I've just got a little vest top on, a little black vest top and a ready to wear skirt, so I can't show you handmade clothes today. But anyway, let's get unboxing this. I have been desperate to unbox it, but I wanted to film an unboxing because I know some of you like to see different reactions on what we all think. So yeah, I can't get into it. Oh, I'm going to need scissors to get into it today. Right then, so shall we do the fabric and pattern open first? It's so beautifully wrapped with a lovely little Beyond the Pink Door sticky label on there. So I have ordered a couple of patterns and some fabric from Andrea this time, and the patterns that I've ordered is the Atelier Jupe Leah dress, because I just think it's beautiful. So that's the line drawings there. Yeah, gorgeous. And the other one I've ordered is the Lynn Caftan as well, because you all loved the Charlie so much when I was on holiday, and I think I mentioned that I wanted to make more caftans. So I've seen that Andrea's made loads of these. It's one of her favourite patterns. And I thought, yeah, there's the line drawings. Look, I would have a go at making this one as well. So yes, that's lovely. And oh my word, these fabrics are just stunning. So the first one I've got is this one. Look at that. I mean, how beautiful is that? I can't remember exactly how much I got. 3.5 meters, something like that. It's just beautiful, absolutely beautiful fabric. This is a viscose. It feels like silk. It is such a beautiful quality. I absolutely adore it. So that's definitely going to be one of those patterns. And then the other one that I got is this one. And Andrea had this in two colourways. She'd got it in this colour and also a pink colour, and I was torn, but I have so much pink fabric and I love pink, but I thought, you know what, I'm really into green at the minute. So I've got this one. I mean, how gorgeous is that? And now this is here, I honestly am thinking that I might have to get the pink colourway as well if she's got some left. It's absolutely sensational. Stunning, stunning fabric. I mean, just look at it. Oh, it's just gorgeous. So yes, I may have to purchase the pink as well. Anyway, let's get on to Think Pink Sewscription Box. Ooh. So she says there is a new box coming soon. So ordinarily, previously, the boxes have been like this. And we've gone back to the plain one at the minute because clearly she's redesigning, which is interesting. So we've got a sticker that says knock knock open me. Oh, go on then. And then inside, this is Sewscription Box 17. So you get a little QR code which you can scan, which always takes you to a vlog that Andrea has produced where she tells you all about the inspiration for this month's box. And then on the back is a recipe for easy fruit sorbet. That's lovely. So I will enjoy having a look at that later. And then inside we've got, wrapped in beautiful blue glittery tissue paper. I don't know if you can see the sparkle on that. So let's open and see what we've got this month. Oh, this looks exciting. So we've got a little postcard that says, I'm in a flip-flop state of mind. And on the back are the different colourways of this fabric. And then we have a bright pink bag sealed which says keep calm and carry on. That's just amazing. So what do we have in here? So inside here we have, oh wow, Sapphics Foot and Body Care Scrub Pad. So that's obviously like a little natural pumice type product that you can use to get rid of the dead skin, which we all need to do, don't we? So we have lovely soft skin on our feet when we're wearing flip-flops. And then we've also got luxurious artisan Irish soap in a lovely little packet here. Oh wow, it's minty. It smells gorgeous. So this is zero waste seaweed soap. Absolutely. It smells divine. It smells really nice. So they're the perfect things to get your feet nice and smooth, ready for summer. And then, ooh, we have looks like a little collab between Andrea and the Specky seamstress. So she's made a Think Pink Club patch. How cute is that? With the leopard print and the flowers. Isn't that gorgeous? You know, Andrea, we need a fabric of this. You need to start designing your own. Just putting that out there. And then we have a clue to the colourway that I've received this month. We have a pink Gutterman thread. And then the fabric. The fabric is a gorgeous viscose. This is really nice. I really like it. It's lovely. So we have beautiful viscose in a very sort of geometric print this month in these gorgeous sort of, it looks a bit red on screen, but it is more like a deep pink, and you know, various shades of pink with white as well. So we've got this geometric triangular print, very pretty, really like that. It's lovely. And looking at the postcard, you've got 1, 2, 3 colorways. You've got like the purple, the green and the pink, and they're all beautiful. I would have been happy with any of those, to be perfectly honest, but I love this pink. Absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? So let me know what you think I should make with this. Actually, I'm just wondering if there's enough here to make one of these patterns. Probably, yeah. I could make the Leah dress out of this. Wouldn't that be nice? Wouldn't that be nice? So I'm going to get this pre-washed, and yeah, you tell me what you think you would make out of this if you had it. It's just gorgeous. What I love about Andrea's boxes are the fabric that she chooses. You just don't see anywhere else, and yeah, it's really lovely. I'm wondering who this is by. It is Frau Mertz. That's on the selvage. Yeah, beautiful though, absolutely beautiful. Love it. Love this month's box as always. You know, she just keeps doing such a great job, doesn't she? Right, gonna leave it there today because, as I say, I am really short on time this weekend. Having the family over, it's just mad. Just don't get time for anything. So I'm going to leave it there, guys, and I will hopefully be back with you really soon. My July plans I need to film and get that up over the next few days. Fingers crossed. But I might have to alter it a little bit now I've got these new fabrics because, yeah, so many ideas. Right, I will leave it there, guys. I'll see you soon. Let me know what you think to this month's box down in the comments below. Take care of yourselves, and I'll be back with you really soon. Bye.